A little bit of sad news. Unfortunately, for the next 2 days, my birthday celebrations are going to be here at Sam's Town. Going to be going bowling, playing bingo, playing slots, eating at 2 restaurants. I'm going to be the first person to try that out. Let's get in there and start this birthday celebration off with a bang. POV bowling. POV strike. I have no idea what is happening.
How about a little fun, people?
That just happened. That's from 100.
We're up 405.
I don't even know what to say anymore. Seven to 1-8, gotta go. That way. Here we are. Just a two bed. Oh, look at that. You got my name on the TV already. Wow. I mean, that's your view from this hotel room. First time staying at Sam's Town, first time eating at Sam's Town's restaurants, and first time doing everything they have to do here. Bowling alley, movie theater, bingo, laser show. So just a standard 2-bed room. Bed, oh wow. Beds seem actually really comfy. And there is a fridge. It's like a bookshelf. Yes, we are back at Sam's Town doing a quick update walkthrough, but this is what I wanted to talk to you guys about. STG stands for Sam's Town Gastropub, if you did not know. Brand new, open this week. I'm here July 2nd filming this. Everything in here is brand new as of this week. Fun fact again, hotel check-in is in Mystic Falls, but if you can see right now, they have some red, white, and blue lights on the trees. And my room facing that is like over here somewhere. There's a beaver right there who moves. A little bit of sad news. Unfortunately, Smokey Joe's is closed because STG, Sam's Town Gastropub, it actually is replacing Smokey Joe's. So a lot of their employees are coming over there to STG. Again, it just opened this week. We're gonna be checking that out later in this video, so I'm very excited for that because I am getting pretty hungry. And if we walk through here, like we did before, this is such a cool area to walk through. And of course, this famous waterfall. And you have a little deer, say hi. Know that it's not Bambi. There are the hours up there for the Mystic Falls Park. Everybody always goes to the Bellagio Conservatory because that's all they know. But if you're tired of the strip, tired of the prices, tired of everything, go to these off-strip casinos because you won't be disappointed. So if you're seeing this, this is brand new. They're testing there for the new sports book here at Sam's Town. You'll still be able to bet. There's an area around the corner, but this is all getting redone right here. So you're literally one of the first to see this. Otherwise, you'd have to be in Sam's Town to see it. So all that is coming soon. Let's make a quick stop at Century Theaters. There's 2 levels in here. Pretty cool looking, actually. Look at that on the ceiling. That's unlike anything I've seen. Kind of reminds me of like an old library or Art Deco theme. So if you go down this long hallway, this is how you get to the pool. Whoops, gotta use your room key. So again, this is another exclusive first look because I did just get some new furniture out here. On your way to the pool, you will see all these different signs of people that have been here in the past. And now it is dinner time. We're gonna try out STG Bar and Grill. Let's go inside. Your first look. They do have pizzas, sandwiches, burgers. Our hostess was telling us that Smokey Joe's closed, as we all know, but they brought their familiar favorites over here. I'm here July 2nd, 2026. As you saw when I was being seated, it is really cool looking in here. Modern environment for sure, really big, really laid out well, and TVs all around. Of course, they have FIFA games going on right now because it is July. Let's get into some notable menu highlights here at STG. The Backyard Burger offers a customizable combination of cheese, fresh toppings, and a griddled potato bun. Entrees include the Cajun chicken pasta, combining blackened chicken, andouille sausage, penne, mushrooms, bacon, and Parmesan, and a light cream sauce. To finish, Lappert's Vanilla Bean Ice Cream provides a warm, classic dessert. I just got the fish and chips. Fish looks really crispy as well. Let's just start off with the fries. Fries are very crispy, very fresh, hot, just melts in your mouth. I think it's cod. Every fish and chips I've had, it's always cod. Well, that's very good too. Again, very hot, very fresh. Let's try out some of the coleslaw. So this was the fish and chips, and I'm gonna try the pulled pork. Let's put some barbecue sauce on the sandwich. This is gonna be a big bite. Messy.
Messy, messy, messy.
For whatever reason, That tastes amazing. I don't know if it's the combination of pickles and coleslaw all on the sandwich, but that was very good. I'm gonna finish this up and that'll be it for here. Just got done eating at STG Bar and Grill here at Sam's Town. Overall thoughts were very good. It is almost 8 o'clock. My first time seeing this.
It is said that the waters of Mystic Falls are enchanted, and anyone who is touched by their spray is granted exceptional good luck and good fortune.
Just sitting here playing this Monopoly slot machine, and look at the board so far. This is pretty crazy. Just a random bonus, full screen, 4 spins. That's hopping around the board up there. That's from 100, so pretty good profit. And now you can see I'm going up the escalator to play bingo. This will be fun. I've never done it before, so first time here at Sam's Town. There are 7 sessions every odd hour starting at 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. We're at the 9 p.m. version, see what it's all about. Pretty big bingo hall. We have a full touchscreen, fully operational, and that's how you do the bingo here at Sam's Town. We got our game cards right there, but the numbers are called out right there, and then they just pop up here. It's not similar, but playing bingo reminds me of that scene from Bad Grandpa, if you guys know what I'm talking about.
I need a drink. Who wants a margarita? How about a little fun, people?
And somebody got bingo. Some important things to know: every 3rd Saturday of the month, they feature an all-electronic bingo karaoke blitz with a live DJ and a $4,500 prize. Just got done with the bingo. First time playing all electronic. You saw on that big screen right there. It did everything for you. A little different nighttime view. And there's some cool lights up there too. It's like more of the laser show. It's the next morning, headed over to Dunkin' to get a coffee. Now I sat down at one of my favorite slot machines. They have them all over the place. I still do have a ticket from last night, so I'm gonna stick that in. My ticket was for 200, but I'm only gonna take it down to 1. Oh, and we got something here. Who's like that? Every time someone gets a bonus, they have to take a drink of what they're drinking. Goal is to collect these diamonds and move up the ladder. That's good. We need one more diamond here. Oh, and a spin. No, but we got one more spin. Another 24.12. I put in a $200 ticket, and we're up 405. Nice little birthday surprise here early in the morning. So now, as another birthday treat, I'm going bowling for the next 2 hours. We have to go to lane 45, and it's all lit up. Please sign in. What? I gotta find a ball. I had to get a lighter ball. Now, this is 12. We went down 2. Here we go. That's right. All right, POV bowling. Ball right here. Hey, POV strike. Whatever. But we just sat down. Look at this view though, out in the patio city. Since it is a steakhouse, I'm not sure what I'm gonna get. I have to get some type of steak. This is the menu as of July 3rd, 2026. Got some bread rolls right here. Those look very buttery, very flaky, and very good. As well as some type of butter with seasoning on there. That almost looks like icing. All right, so I'm gonna try out this bread right now. It's a steakhouse, you always have to have some type of bread. These are some really good rolls. They're sweet. Reminds me of King's Hawaiian rolls a little bit, but sometimes it's bread, sliced bread with butter. Other times it's more dinner rolls like this.
And we have a special of the month, a 10-ounce hanger steak.
I'll do that hanger steak special. I think I'll just do a side of the sweet potatoes. I haven't had a Moscow Mule in a long time. They always come in these little copper cups. I like that. And of course you have your lime right there. There we go. I like that. To start off, I got a Caesar salad. But it is a steakhouse, don't worry. They get a steak. Caesar salad's good. It's got some good dressing. It's fresh. Server put some pepper on there. I always like when they do that. It's almost 6 o'clock. You know what that means? We get to see one of the water shows from where we're sitting out here at Angry Butcher. All right, here we go, water show.
steak with the morning sauce and chimichurri.
Yeah,
Butter,
that's
brown
big
sugar
plate.
on top of cinnamon.
Oh my. Just got the food here at Angry Butcher. Hanger steak with carrots. It is the special of the month. So we are in July. Also, I got a side of sweet mashed potatoes. There's like a bourbon glaze on top and brown sugar. That's gonna be really good. So what's unique about this is if you like chimichurri sauce, you do get it on this 10-ounce hanger steak and it comes pre-sliced. You do get a special knife for your steak, so just gonna cut it a little more. Like I said, never had hanger steak before. I know of it, just never had it. Very good. It's hot. It's got a little crisp on top. Now let's try the sweet potatoes. That is extremely good. Top-notch service, top-notch food. Angry Butcher has been around for 10 years. It replaced another restaurant, but now it has been here for 10 years and everybody loves it. Gotta eat it while it's hot. That's the key to all steak dinners.
Bottom is a meringue base, kind of like a giant marshmallow, and it's a Bavarian cream with whipped cream and fresh berry maple.
This looks very good. A lot of whipped cream right there, like a pastry. You got some berries. So since it was my birthday, the chef made me something very special, not even on the menu. I appreciate that so much. Was never expecting that, so that's a real birthday treat. We're gonna try this out. This looks amazing. That's probably one of the freshest things I've ever had, pastry-wise, dessert-wise. Really, really good. Cream, berries, strawberry, and the pastry. It's like got a marshmallow base. It's dense, it's airy, so it's very refreshing after a nice steak dinner. Just got done eating at Angry Butcher Steakhouse. The waiter, Jonathan, was super nice, super friendly. Thank you to Meffy, the manager here at Angry Butcher. Even the head chef, David, came out to my table with that special dessert. To the whole team here at Angry Butcher, everyone was super friendly and made the experience well worth it. That just happened. Now, I haven't played these machines in a long time. I had $100. I won that. Playing the Monopoly machine again that I played this morning after this steak dinner. I was free game 3 of 6, so 3 more, halfway. Want to see something crazy? I got free games again on the Monopoly game, and look at this. That's all I've won so far. We're in the middle of the free games. Got 8 more free games left. Got the money back. All right, purple and red. This is gonna be a big one at the end because there's still 6 more free games after this bonus within a bonus. And I'm already at $632 and I have 232 in. So that's a lot right there. I'm not even done. Similar to the mummy games, Mummy games, I already played. The golden money bags act as that version of diamonds. Come on, Mum, there we go. That's good, and that's good. That's good, that's good. Oh, 245s, 2 spins, full screen. All right. And I'm still in the free games. I have 6 more left. Sweet fancy Moses.
Fancy Moses.
All right, this is unbelievable. Holy crap. Okay, what, okay. I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm not even doing anything crazy. I'm just doing 1 cent, $3. 1 more money bag and a bag. Oh, here we go again. I got this before, but I wasn't filming, so now you can see what this looks like. Come on, if you fill it all up, you get that. Oh, come on. Give me 1 more. Nah.
Let's check your account. Round and round we go.
Holy crap. Is this gonna be a hand pay? Because I literally have nothing anymore. This is crazy. We need him to walk across. All 3. Oh, no. Holy crap.
Your account.
Wow. Okay, I was down, not gonna believe me, but I was down below 100 when I got something, bring it up to 200. That what was there the whole time with the free games. And now that just happened. Yeah, little nice birthday treat here at Sam's Town. Thank you.
It's 1,500. That was crazy. Sam's Town's the place to be.
This is the view of the water show from my room. The sad part of the video is it's over. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I tried my best to provide you with everything. I appreciate everything here at Sam's Town. Everyone I've spoke with was super friendly and nice. I'm really appreciative of what I'm doing. Thank you to them. Thank you to Boyd Gaming as well. I won a lot on that last time I played slots in this polo, so be sure to look for that. Hit that subscribe button. Till then.